Hey everyone, how's it going? Time for another Sprunki Incredibox video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Red Sprunki character. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Red Sprunki, I'm going to begin by making a circle. I'm going to go ahead and use this little circle template that I have, and when I do this I'm only going to do about 3/4 of it. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to trace right up to here. Almost kind of like I'm making a fishbowl shape. Next, we're going to add some spikes up here. So I'm going to start here. We're just going to go up and then back in. And same thing here. We're going to go up and back in. We're going to curve and we're going to curve. Next, same thing here. We're going to go up and down and a little curve for spike. I'm going to connect this line and I'm going to connect this line here. Now let's go ahead and make the other spikes on the side. These two are going to be a little bit bigger than these. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go out to a point and then down. And then same thing here, just kind of out to a point, nice and long, and then down. Now I want to make the two eyes in here, and I'm going to use my little circle template again. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a circle here for one eye. Then I'm just going to leave some space, and I'm going to make the second circle for the eye right over here. Now for the eyebrows, let's just draw a line that's going to come down and a line that's going to come down. Then let's make a line across here and a line across here for the actual eyelids. Next, let's make a nice smile in here for the pupil, and same thing here, nice little smile for the pupil. And we can go ahead and just color that part in real fast with our marker, or you can wait to do this when you color. Then for the mouth, we're just going to make a little line across. Now for the body, I'm going to make a diagonal line here and a diagonal line here. You can see it's skinnier up here and fatter up here. Then I'm just going to connect the line across. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Red Sprunki character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.